it's Reynard. Today I want to open this. And then I want to open. Let's see. Okay, first one is this. Let's see. Okay.
One side.
Wow! Is this tiger? Number 2, this. Okay. What's inside? We open. Oh! This is a dark star! Number 3. Oh man. So hard to open. The inside, the third one. Oh my gosh! I got this! One more. That's special. Okay, I have a cat, a bear, a tiger, a whale, and then the duck. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget
to click subscribe. See you. Đó.